Hello guys, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to talk about union, intersection and difference in Python. So basically, if you have the understanding of Venn diagram in mathematics, you will easily understand what I'm trying to teach you in this video. Okay guys, these are sets you can easily understand because it has curly braces. If we use this square brackets, it means we are creating list, and it is tuple, and we know that tuple is immutable. We have been talking about that, and it cannot be changed. And this one is going to be a list. Those are special type of variable. List is nothing but it's a special type of variable which contains multiple values in it. Like that, tuple is same like list, but only one change. Tuple cannot be edited or modified or changed because that is static, that is constant. The tuple is constant. But when it comes to sets is also like a list. It's similar to list and tuple, but the difference is set is unordered. Every time you run the program, it's going to unordered. This time it's going to be cherry, banana, apple. It's swap it because that's the behavior of sets. But here in this video, we're going to be learning union, intersection and difference in Python. So let's get started. I hope you can easily understand this one. I'm going to create a variable called result.union. So why? So if I print out the result over here, if I execute my program, okay, I'm going to get cherry, Google, Microsoft, Apple and banana, but this apple is missing. Basically, the union function will exclude any duplicate items. For example, if I have two banana apple over here, it will be removed because it basically remove the duplicate items. So if you have that math skill, you can easily understand this one. Okay, it's not 100% like that math, but it involves it. That concept is involved a little bit in this programming section. Okay, and update. Okay, what is a union and update? Both are same. There's no difference between that, only the keyword are difference. But the thing between update is you can see that the union returns its value to a variable. You can only print this result. So if you print eggs, what will happen? It will print only this data, but update will directly affect the first element. So that is the difference between union and update, but the functionalities are same. The update also remove duplicate items, okay, exclude duplicate items. They're both the same, but update directly impact the x, which means the first modifier, the first things you are calling. Okay, it directly updated. Okay, that's the difference between union and update. Union and update are same. So union and update are same, but the difference is the union will return the value in a variable. Update will directly impact the value. Okay, the next things I want to teach you is intersection. Okay, I hope you can easily understand what is intersection if you have that math skill. Okay, intersection, here I'm going to execute the program. It will only return cherry and apple and banana. Okay, the reason it's wrong because I only print the x. I want to print this result. I made a simple mistake. So now if I execute it, only apple is the intersection, because I'm going to copy the cherry also. I'm going to paste here. Now the cherry will also come as an intersection. Okay, now you can easily understand what is intersection is. If you have the math skill, you don't need to worry about anything. The second things I want to teach you is difference. Okay, so if I run this program, there's no different exit. I make sure if I make any spelling mistakes, yeah, okay. Why? If I execute the program, it's gonna say banana and cherry. Why? Because you have to closely listen to this one. Difference is nothing but we are checking x with y. what are the difference. So you can see that apple is here in the apple element in Y. So the only difference are banana and cherry. We are taking the X, okay, listen carefully, we are taking the X and match with Y, or seeing difference with Y. So the apple is matched, okay. So the difference are banana and cherry in X. So that is difference. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have understood it in a perfect manner, and union and update you have understood, the intersection you have understood. I will see you in the next video.